This is just a quick video to differentiate between a payment segment and a benefit segment. So you can see here, I've pulled up this claim for Ashley, and you can see that I've got an existing benefit segment. This pulled through from my previous IP transaction. And then I've also got this payment transaction or this payment reason code listed here as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and remove that. That only needs to be reported on the initial payment, as that was me just showing the initial payment that I had made on this file. So we can check here and make sure that my payments are up to date. So at this point, I'm just going to assume my temp total is up to date. But for this one, I'm needing to file a PY because I have a lump sum benefit payment that I need to make. So by doing that, I can click Add right here. It's going to give me a second benefit type code box. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to populate this with the information required. When it is a lump sum payment settlement, you can skip the gross, weekly, and net weekly amount effective dates and amounts. I'm just going to go ahead here and do 1/2020. I'm going to do 11/2/2020 just because this is a settlement, so there's not much time that I'm paying. 0 weeks, 1 day, total amount that I've paid. So I'm going to say 5,000. And then I'm going to put my benefit payment issue date. So I'm going to say that that was the 10th. Now, since I am paying this lump sum settlement, I need to add an additional payment. Again, this payment segment is only going to be used on PY transactions and IP transactions. It should only be displaying the payments that are relevant to what you are trying to report for that transaction. So for my IP, I was showing my initial payment of temp total benefits. But now for my settlement, I need to show the payment of my settlement benefits. So I'm going to go ahead and select some similar values to what I just put in the benefit segment. Type Ashley's name, the payment amount, so $5,000, the same dates as I used above, and then my payment issue date. Now, if I had attorney's fees or anything else, I could add additional payments here. I could also add some other benefit types if necessary. But in the way that this is all set up, if Ashley was the one who was receiving this lump sum benefit, I've got her benefit here, I've got her previous benefits here, and then I've also got her payment. So I should be all set